an indie project by Rats Productions. Here's a sneak peek into a work-in-progress scene of Black Rain.
Well, this is it. Home sweet home. Hey, boss! I, brought a friend. He's, feisty, to say the least.
Grim. Where is he? Come out now, or you'll be needing more than a mop to clean him up.
Go to the others. How did you find Jamison? And why did you force him to bring you here?
I was looking for crime, he was doing crime. Plan's a plan, even if simple, lady.
Don't lady me. You're in my home. You have no reason to be here besides causing harm, and I won't stand for it. Too many people like you, always making things worse.
Please. At least I'm not part of a gang that murders innocent people in broad daylight. You'd know all about that, wouldn't you?
Like hell I would. You wouldn't know the half of it, asshole.
Thank you so much for watching this teaser. We currently still have auditions open for our second casting call. It ends on the 10th of May. For more information, join our Discord. Link is in the description.